Interactive Brokers offers low-cost trading with pricing that varies by asset type, market, and account activity. Interactive Brokers features a dual pricing model in 2026 with no account minimums or inactivity fees. IBKR Lite offers casual investors zero commission US stock and ETF trades, while IBKR Pro gives active traders ultra-low per share fees 0.05 down to 0.05 alongside smart order routing. Pro users also unlock the industry's lowest margin borrowing rates and earn competitive interest on idle cash over $10,000, making it incredibly cost-effective for high-volume traders. Reddit users say Interactive Brokers offers fast trading, a wide range of products, strong security, and very low commissions with long-term satisfaction. Overall, it's best for serious traders looking for a powerful and low-cost brokerage platform. Overall, its fees are highly competitive, especially for active traders, though costs can vary depending on how and what you trade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.